Are you looking for a way to track your GOFO Express package? In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to check where your shipment is right now. The quickest way to start GOFO Express tracking is on Ship24. Just go to the tracking page, enter your tracking number, and click Search to see the latest shipment updates. Tracking on Ship24 is especially helpful for international deliveries because your parcel may pass through different facilities or be handed over to another local courier before final delivery. You can also track your shipment on the official GOFO Express website. Just open the tracking page, enter your tracking number, and click on the Track button to see the latest delivery updates. Before tracking, make sure you are using the correct tracking number and not just your order number. If you do not see updates right away, that is normal. Sometimes it can take 24 to 48 hours for the first scan to appear after pickup or label creation. As your parcel moves, you may see updates like shipment information received, in transit, out for delivery, or delivered. If the tracking stops updating, your parcel may be waiting at a transit hub, going through customs, or being passed to a local delivery partner. When that happens, try tracking it on Ship24 to check if another courier is handling the final part of the delivery. So whether you track on Ship24 or on the official GOFO Express website, GOFO Express tracking is simple once you have the correct tracking number.
Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.